and I'm going to show you how to make scrumptious, delicious stuffed mushrooms. First, I'm going to take about 4 ounces of crab, Wild Tree's seafood seasoning, some mayo, not much, but a little. I use no fat or low fat. Some Dijon mustard, and last but not least, some breadcrumbs. Now with this dish, you almost really have to get your hands dirty. So in we go. And now, after I've cleaned up a bit, I'm going to add the last ingredient, an egg. And we'll just stir that around. Does that look good? For those of you who like crab, and get the crab. Make sure these are claws, from the claws. When you're baking something that's going to go in the oven, that's all you need. I know some of you would prefer just the white meat, but now look at that. Presentation, talk about presentation. Now we're going to bake these in the oven, and then when we're done, we'll be able to taste them. They're delicious. Whoops, got a little too much on that one. Oh well, somebody would be happy. Now look at that. Just sort of letting it fall all over. That one just doesn't want to stay up. So we'll just fill these, pop them in the oven, bake them for about 15, 20 minutes, and then you've got a great appetizer. Yes, yes indeedy. And everybody will think you worked hours in the kitchen. See, good taste doesn't mean long time. Good taste can mean just minutes. So here we are. And they've been working me like a dog. So if you want to know what the final product looks like, you're going to have to make them yourself. Because I'm not popping these in the oven until we're all finished. Thank you. Come join me. We're having a party.